We have a program called Animal written in Go. We use the Vim editor to take a look at the source code of this program. Look at this program. Animal is a struct. We can see the animal struct has two members. The food is a string field, and age is a float 32 field. The show animals function displays the values in the map variable. It has a parameter animals of type map string animal. Map string animal is a map aggregation type. The key type is string and the value type is animal. In the main function, insert two key values pairs into this map variable. We are using the unmodified Go compiler that comes with the Linux distribution. Let's compile this program. As shown, we don't need to add any special options. Here is the output of the program. This program had a very fast execution time, lasting only 1 millisecond. Let's write a custom WiLang analyzer to dynamically trace the execution of this Go program. Switch to the OpenResty X-Ray web console. Go to the Analyzers page. Click on the Add New Analyzer. Enter the name in the Analyzer name text box. Select the WiLang language type. Delete the sample WiLang program provided by default. Add a function probe. Here we add a dynamic probe onto the entry point of our Go function show animals in the main package. This parameter type is a map with string keys and values of type main.animal. The parameter name is animals. Call _dump go val to print the value of the animals variable. Call _exit to make the analyzer exit after running this probe handler. Save the code. This is a short-lived program, so we choose the by executables mode. Let's go back to the terminal window. Use the redlink F command to find the exe path. Copy it. Paste the executable file path. Click Run to start execution. Tracing has started. Switch to the terminal. Execute the Go program. The program is operating normally. The execution time of this program remains swift, still only 1 millisecond. Go back to the web console. We can see the X-ray analyzer printed the value of the animals variable correctly. The map contains two key value pairs. The value that the key cow points to is of type main.animal. Main.animal has two members, which are food and age. The type of member food is a string and its value is grass. The length of this string is 5. The second field of main.animal is age. The type of age is float 32. It is similar to the previous key. According to actual needs, we can also choose the by processes mode. Or choose the by applications mode. OpenResty X-Ray is a non-invasive diagnostic system based on our own dynamic tracing technology. It can monitor and scan performance problems, behavioral issues, and security vulnerabilities in real time. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.